Solar panels and should you do them? One of my mortgage friends out in Texas posted a solar panel latest post and kind of threw the ball over to realtors as far as ask your realtor what they think about this type of thing. And I'm going to take that ball and address this a bit. There are solar panel specialists that could come out and basically say you're increasing value by getting solar panels. I will say to that, it depends. Not all buyers want solar panels, all right? That's first of all. But they also may want their own solar company. They may not want to use the company that a seller used. There are leases that are involved for if you don't buy it. So, and the leases can go 10, 20, 30 years. Statistically, on average, people move every 8 to 10 years. So there's a really good chance you're going to still have that lease when you go to sell. So you really want to read the fine print on that and have a very good understanding of how the lease is handled upon sale, because the company is going to be looking to have that addressed either by the seller paying off that lease or by the buyer taking over the lease. And sellers generally look to the buyer to take over the lease. So definitely having a handle on the fine print on that. The other thing is, I saw a beautiful contemporary. It was probably like close to $1 million. And it had solar panels on that roof that looked like puzzle pieces gone bad. So you really want to take your time when you're looking at these solar companies to make sure you're going with a company that is very professional, has a really good reputation. You want to really look into that, because that can really aesthetically affect the home to have a negative impact on value.